Hello everyone, it's Sparks here, and today I'm going to be talking about me getting hacked last night. It was all my fault, and they took everything. They took my headdresses, my spikes. They took everything. And if you wanted to know who it is Sketchy Fox. Oh, it's Sketchy Fox. She's the one that hacked my stuff. So how it happened was, well, I was just messing around, and she came up to me. She was like, "Hey, can I borrow one of your storages to put like my stuff on?" And I said, "Yeah, sure." And I gave her the password for the storage, not knowing that that was the password for my main as well. And she obviously tried that, and she got in, and she took everything. I'm so thankful to those of you who donated to me. Like, thank you. I really appreciate it. But I just wanted to talk about it because I know that like people still getting hacked and people will feel sorry for me, but I know that it's all my fault, and you shouldn't feel sorry for something that it was my fault, that I did it. So yeah, please be aware of Sketchy Fox. Please be aware of Sketchy Fox. And please can you report her? Because she scammed my headdress, she scammed everything. I've reported her multiple times. Thank you so much for watching. Please be aware this can happen, and I was very stupid for doing it. Thank you.